Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a couple of flip throughs. Earlier in the week or late last week I received my order from the Happy Planner. I got the two new books, Get Social and All the Plans. Let me show those up close a little bit. Just this. And I thought I'd just come on and just do a quick flip through of both of them. And then the Happy Planner actually sent me a free, I don't know if it's a die cut or if it's a sticker. It feels like a vinyl. Oh, it could go on my car. I don't know. I think it's a sticker. It feels like a matte sticker. But I may just be destroying the die cut too. So they sent me a free little gifty. They've never done that before. Okay, and then I got the Get Social. I didn't even know they made social sticker books until I watched one of my friend's videos. And then I had to swipe some of them up. But this has 993 pieces. And it is about content, posting, following, commenting. You get 2 sheets of ideas. And it looks like these are pretty bright colors. You get the planet stickers and then like, share, follow, post. So another sheet of planet stickers. You get a sheet of the action steps and then more of the circles. You get another sheet of the action steps. You get 2 sheets of the days of the week and you get 4 of each day on there. So this would last for 2 months. You get post, social media, and network. You get 2 sheets of those. You get some Get Social stickers, some heart icons, and some alarm clock icons. You get some email, some stars, and some place markers. You get some platform trackers and more of the colored circles. And another sheet of the platform trackers. Actually, 3 sheets of those. And the 4th sheet. So you could use those for all month. Then you get some Get Social, network, check messages, connect with followers, and post scripts. You get a whole sheet of create content scripts, a whole sheet of schedule scripts, a weekly schedules task bar, and some remember scripts or boxes. You get 2 sheets of those. There's a 3rd sheet. You get some remember to kind of remember your goals. Get some deadline stickers, 2 sheets of those. Nope, 3 sheets. You get 2 sheets of like some wordings, or what do I call them? Just some quotes. They're like share a few of your favorites, check messages, host a giveaway, collab with. You get 2 sheets of those, 1 foiled and 1 not. You get some today priority idea stickers, some more boxes. You get 2 sheets of those. You get a sheet of flag stickers. And that is all in the Get Social book. 993 pieces. So if that's something you're interested in, you can go on the Happy Planner's website. It's just www.thehappyplanner.com. They do have some, they have an awards program now. And I think I got $5 off of this order by using my points. So you could also utilize that. Then I will do a quick flip through of all the plans. I really like the colors in this book. You get 942 pieces. You get some boxes. You get some self-care stickers, icons. You get some water plants stickers. You get some shopping list stickers with some silver foiling. You get some pet stickers. You get some goal, plan, evaluate stickers. You get some work stickers and day off. Get some appointment stickers. Then you get some travel stickers, packing list, adventure awaits, where you're going. You also get some icons referring to traveling. You get some boxes and some reminder stickers. You get some habit trackers. You get some very important and some focus stickers. Some top threes. You get some Friday, date night, breakfast, lunch, and dinner dates. You get tidy up, vacuum, and laundry. You get some of the little sticky notes that say meeting, noted, and due. You get some more appointment stickers. You get some menu planning stickers. You get some doctor appointment stickers and some checklists. These are some of my favorites. You get do, shop, call, send, to do, payday stickers. I really like these payday stickers because they look more realistic than the ones they've had in the past, and they're the clear. You get some lend a helping hand kind of appointment stickers there. These say home chores. You get some cleanup and more vacuum stickers. Some work schedule and day off. And some of the checklists. Get some birthday and party stickers. And then you get all of the holidays in the back. You get some more of the lend a helping hand stickers. I love these muted soft colors. You get some fitness stickers. And you see this, I think this is supposed to be a yoga mat, but I thought it was toilet paper. I guess you could use it as either. You get some more meal planning stickers. And that is all of all the plans. I have a couple more books coming. It'll probably take a week or two from the Happy Planner. I got, what did I get? I got Happy Plans, I think is one of them is called. A goal book. And, yeah, I can't even think of the other one either. So it'll be a surprise to both of us. But that is all for now with these two books. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And be sure and hit that subscribe button, stick around, and hit the little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. I will be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video. Have a wonderful week.